Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning classes of PN Amarsi High School. We will continue with our chapter number 11, mensuration. Now let us continue with our exercise 11.2. Question number 6. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 5 cm and whose altitude is 4.8 cm. If one of its diagonal is 8 cm long, find the length of the other diagonal. Students, here what is given in the question is that the area of a rhombus whose side is 5 cm. Here the measure of each side of the rhombus is 5 cm and its altitude, that is height, is 4.8 cm and one of the diagonal is 8 cm and we have to find the length of other diagonal. Students, यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है कि जो rhombus है उसकी एक साइड का मेजर 5 सेंटीमीटर है एंड एल्टीट्यूड, जिसको हाइट भी बोलते हैं, उसका मेजर है 4.8 सेंटीमीटर और वन डायगोनल measure is 8 centimeter. We have to find the length of other diagonal. Now solution for sum number 6. Students, here एक फिगर दिया हुआ है जो रोम्बस शेप्ड फिगर है जिसका एक साइड 5 सेंटीमीटर का है एंड द मेजर ऑफ वन डायगोनल इज 8 सेंटीमीटर एंड द अल्टीट्यूड जो वर्टेक्स से परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस पे आता है, this is the, we can say, the height also of the rhombus, that is 4.8 centimeter. Here we have to find out the measure of other diagonal and area of rhombus. यहाँ पे आपको दो चीज़ें find out करनी है, एक area of rhombus और measure of the other diagonal. So here what we will do is that this is an rhombus shaped figure. So rhombus जो होता है वो पैरेललोग्राम जैसा ही होता है. So rhombus shape is similar to parallelogram. So whatever properties are of parallelogram apply same for rhombus also. So we can say that since rhombus is also a kind of parallelogram, so to find out the area of rhombus we can use the formula of area of parallelogram also. So here side of the rhombus 5 cm is given, altitude, that is height, 4.8 cm is also given and diagonal D1 equals to 8 cm, it's also given in the question. Now area of rhombus is equals to area of parallelogram. So area of rhombus will be, we can use the formula of area of parallelogram to find out area of rhombus. आप area of parallelogram का formula use कर सकते हैं area of rhombus find out करने के लिए. So area of parallelogram is B into H. So area of rhombus is equals to base into height, where base is 5 cm and height is 4.8 cm. So here we will write 5 multiplied by 4.8. So we will get 24 cm square. Therefore area of rhombus will be 24 cm square. Now we can use the formula of area of rhombus to find out the other diagonal. Now here area of rhombus equals to half multiplied by D1 multiplied by D2. Area of rhombus is half into product of its diagonal. Now area of rhombus, as we know, it's 24 cm square equals to half, we will write as it is, and D1 is 8 cm, it's given in the question, and here we don't know the length of diagonal 2, so we will write here as it is D2. So 24 equals to half into 8 into D2. So now to find out the length of diagonal 2, here 24 we will write here as it is. Now here 1 by 2 is multiplied with D2. We will transpose it and write it as 2 upon 1. And here 8 is also multiplied with D2. So if we bring here, so we will divide this 24 with 8. If we transpose this number 8 on the left hand side, so instead of multiplication we will do division here. So 24 multiplied by 2 divided by 8 will be 8 ones are and 8 threes are, and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Therefore the length of diagonal 2 is 6 centimeter. Therefore we can say the length of the other diagonal is 6 centimeter. Now we move to question number 7. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonal are 45 cm and 30 cm in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is 4 rupees 4. Students, here what is given in the question is that the floor of the building consists of 3000 tiles. एक फ्लोर है बिल्डिंग का जो 3000 टाइल्स से बना है and the shape of the tiles is rhombus shaped and its diagonals are 45 cm and 30 cm in length. We have to find out the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. So here what we will do, first of all we will find out the area of rhombus shaped tile and then we will find out the area of floor. By finding out the area of floor, then we will find out the total cost of polishing the floor. Solution for sum number 7. Length of one diagonal D1 is 45 cm and D2 is 30 cm. It's given in the question. Students, first of all we will find out the area of rhombus shaped tile. So area of one rhombus shaped tile equals to half multiplied by D1 multiplied by D2. Half we will write here as it is, and in the place of D1 we will write 45 and in the place of D2 we will write 30. So 2 ones are 2, 15s are 30. Now we will multiply this 45 into 15. By multiplying 45 and 15 we will get 675 centimeter square. So the area of one rhombus shaped tile is 675 centimeter square. So students, here we have found out that area of one tile is 675 centimeter square. See here now students, the area of one tile is 675 centimeter square. In case students, if we want to find out the number of tiles, जब आपको number of tiles find out करने होते हैं, then we use the formula. तब हम formula use करते हैं area of floor divided by area of one tile. So here the number of tiles are given. We have to find out the area of floor. To find out the area of floor, we will just multiply number of tiles with area of one tile. So number of tiles are 3000 and area of one tile is 675 centimeter square. So the area of tiles will be area of the floor will be 3000 multiplied by 675 will be 20,25,000 centimeter square. Students, the cost of polishing the floor is given in per meter square, and here the area of floor which we got is centimeter square. So we will first convert this centimeter square into meter square. So here 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. So 20,25,000 centimeter square will be how many meter square? So by cross multiplying it, we will get 20,25,000 divided by 10,000. This 10 we will cut from above the line and below the line, and other also from above the line and below the line. Now 22,025 divided by 10 will be 202.5 meter square. So students, area of the floor is 202.5 meter square. Now after getting the area of floor, we will find out the cost of polishing the floor. So cost of polishing 1 meter square floor is rupees 4. It is given in the question. Now cost of polishing 202.50 square meter will be 202.50 multiplied by 4. Cost of polishing of floor find out करने के लिए 202.50 को 4 से multiply करेंगे. So by multiplying 202.50 by 4, we will get rupees 810. Therefore, the total cost of polishing the floor is rupees 810. Now question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. Now solution for sum number 8. Now before starting the sum, let us understand what is given in the question. First, Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. मोहन को ये ट्रेपेजियम शेप्ड फील्ड परचेज करनी है एंड इट्स साइड अलोंग द रिवर इज पैरेलल एंड ट्वाइस द साइड अलोंग द रोड. ये साइड जो रोड है ट्रेपेजियम शेप्ड फील्ड का वो रिवर के साइड का है एंड ये जो साइड है रोड का वो रोड के साइड का है. और यहाँ पर क्या दिया है कि जो रिवर के साइड का रोड है वो रोड इस साइड का पैरेलल साइड है एंड इट इज ट्वाइस द साइड अलोंग द रोड. रोड के साइड की जो रोड है उससे रिवर के साइड की जो रोड है वो ट्वाइस है. नाउ हियर द लेंथ ऑफ दिस साइड ऑफ रोड इज नॉट गिवन एंड इट्स गिवन दैट द लेंथ ऑफ दिस साइड ऑफ रोड इज ट्वाइस ऑफ दिस साइड. तो यहाँ पर जो लेंथ नहीं दी है, सपोज वी राइट इट एज x. द लेंथ ऑफ दिस साइड ऑफ रोड इज x. सो the length along the river side will be twice as it is given in the question. So the length of this side of road along the river side is 2x. Now here if the area of this field is 10,500 meter square, यहाँ पर जो ये ट्रेपेजियम शेप्ड फील्ड का एरिया है वो दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, that is 10,500 meter square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel side is 100 meter. दिस इज द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीज टू पैरेलल साइड. ये दो पैरेलल साइड के बीच में ये परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस है. परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस मीन्स हाइट इज 100 मीटर. वी हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द साइड अलोंग द रिवर. वी हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ दिस साइड. नाउ लेट द साइड ऑफ द ट्रेपेजियम रोड साइड बी x centimeter. So the opposite parallel side, this is the opposite parallel side, will be 2x and the height is 100 meter and area of trapezium shaped field is 10,500 meter square. It's given in the question. Now on the basis of this information we will find out the measure of the side of the road along the river side. So we will use the formula of area of trapezium. So here we will write area of trapezium shaped field equals to half into sum of the parallel side multiplied by height. Here area of trapezium shaped field is given, that is 10,500 equals to half we will write as it is, and sum of parallel side will be the measure of one side of the parallel we assume is x and the other side is 2x. So sum of the parallel side will be x plus 2x multiplied by height is 100 meter. It's given in the question. See आपको area of trapezium shaped field use करना है and area of trapezium shaped field दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, that is 10,500 and sum of parallel side is x plus 2x. So now 10,500 equals to half in the bracket x plus 2x multiplied by 100 m. Here we will write 10,500 as it is equals to half we will write here as it is. X plus 2x will be 3x multiplied by 100 meter. Now we will divide this 100 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 50s are 100. Now here 10,500 we will write as it is. Now 3x multiplied by 50 will be 150x. Now we will find out the value of x. To find out the value of x, we will divide 10,500 by 150. 10,500 divided by 150. 0, 0 we will cut. Now we will use the table of 15. 15 sevens is 105. So 15 70s will be 1050. So here we will write 15 ones are here 15 70s are 1050. So the value of x is 70. But we want the measure of the length of the side along the river and the length of the side along the river was 2x. So here the value of x is 70. So 2x will be 2 multiplied by x, that is 70 multiplied by 2, that is 140 meter. Therefore the length of the side along the river is 140 meter. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.